What's something people don't know about making the perfect burger? It only takes 3 ingredients. All right, let's jump right in. All you need are ground beef, cheese slices, and burger buns. That's it. First, form your ground beef into patties. Make them about the size of your buns and season with a little salt and pepper if you like. Heat up a skillet on medium-high. Cook the patties for about 3-4 minutes per side until they're nice and browned. Now here comes the cheesy goodness. Place a slice of cheese on each patty during the last minute of cooking. Let it melt right there in the pan. Toast your burger buns in the same skillet to soak up all that flavor. Assemble your burger with the cheesy patty between the buns. And there you have it, folks. A delicious, juicy burger with just 3 ingredients. So next time you're in the mood for a quick and tasty meal, remember this hack. Simple, fast, and oh so good. Enjoy.